Welcome back to Bike Entertainment, the channel where we dive deep into the world of cutting-edge motorcycles. Today, we've got something truly special for you, a close look at the 2025 Damon Hypersport. This isn't just another bike, it's a futuristic machine that pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible in motorcycling. Let's talk about the design first. From the moment you lay eyes on the Damon Hypersport, you can tell it's not your average superbike. Its sleek lines and aggressive stance scream speed, while its advanced aerodynamics are designed to cut through the wind effortlessly. But it's not just about looks, this bike is built for performance. And wait until you hear about the tech that's packed into this beast. Damon's signature innovation, Copilot, comes standard on the 2025 Hypersport. Copilot is an advanced AI-powered safety system that uses radar, cameras, and sensors to give riders a 360-degree awareness of their surroundings. If there's a car in your blind spot or a sudden obstacle ahead, Copilot will alert you in real time, helping you avoid potential accidents. Safety is clearly a priority here, but Damon also knows how to balance that with adrenaline-pumping performance. Under the fairing, the 2025 Hypersport boasts an all-electric powertrain, delivering up to 200 horsepower and a top speed of over 200 mph. 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds means this bike is seriously fast, and with a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge. It's not just for quick bursts of speed, it's ready for long rides without the anxiety of constantly hunting for a charging station. Now, let's get into the smart technology. Damon's Shift technology allows the Hypersport to transform its ergonomics on the fly. With a press of a button, you can switch from an upright, comfortable touring position to a more aggressive sport mode. This adaptability means the bike can suit your riding style no matter what kind of road or mood you're in. Whether you're commuting through the city or tearing up a track, the Hypersport has you covered. Another impressive feature is the battery technology. Damon has invested heavily in battery innovation, and it shows. The fast charging system can get you up to 80% in just 45 minutes, so those quick stops on long trips won't leave you waiting around for hours. Plus, with regenerative braking, every time you slow down, you're putting energy back into the battery, maximizing efficiency. So what's the bottom line? The 2025 Damon Hypersport isn't just a motorcycle, it's a glimpse into the future of riding. With its blend of top-tier performance, groundbreaking safety features, and innovative technology, it's a bike designed to change the way we think about motorcycling. If you're as excited about the future of bikes as we are, hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews, first looks, and all things two wheels. Stay tuned for more here at Bike Entertainment.